Okay, guys. So Liza had some questions about how you could screencast with your iPad into your session with your students, which could be really helpful if you wanted to show them how to navigate using a particular app, or even if you wanted to use your iPad as the whiteboard and still have all the students visible on your laptop. So the way that you would do that is you go down to share screen and click on that button, and then instead of choosing whiteboard or your desktop, you actually click on iPad via AirPlay. Now, before you do that, make sure, of course, that your iPad and your laptop are connected to the same network and that your Bluetooth is on your iPad. If anybody's not sure how to do that, just click on the settings. Okay, so you'll come in and you'll click where it says iPhone, iPad via AirPlay. So click on that as your choice and then click on share. And then on your iPad itself, you're going to have to screen mirror. So I'm just going to, on my iPad, I'm going to pull down from the top corner. I'm going to select screen mirroring, and then I see Zoom as an option. So I'm going to click on that. And now you see that my iPad screen is being shared with my class. And in this case, my class right now is Miss Liza. She's the only one here to get up this early. So now, if, for example, if there was a certain app I wanted to share with my students, I can do that. If I wanted to use my iPad as a whiteboard, I believe some of you use the Show Me app, which allows you actually to record. So I'll just open that one up. And then you can go ahead and you have the ability to use this as your whiteboard. And at any point you want to stop the share, you're finished using the app, you finish using the whiteboard space, you just click on stop share and you go back to your class. So that is the very simple and easy way on how to project what you have on your iPad to your students through Zoom. So thank you, Ms. Liza, for pointing out that some teachers wanted to learn how to do that. And hopefully you guys will find this to be super simple.